Imagine opening Microsoft Outlook one morning only to find that your mailbox won't load. Your emails, contacts, and important attachments suddenly seem unreachable. It sounds stressful, but in many cases, your data is still stored safely inside an Outlook OST file. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an OST file using a free online OST to PST Converter and desktop edition of Stellar Converter for OST step by step, so you can decide which one best fits your needs. Let's get started. Before jumping into the conversion process, it's helpful to understand what an OST file actually is. An OST, or offline storage table, is a local copy of your Outlook mailbox. Outlook automatically creates it when you're using Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft 365, or IMAP accounts, allowing you to access your emails even without an internet connection. Most of the time, you never have to think about this file. But if Outlook crashes, your profile becomes corrupted, Windows is reinstalled, or your email account becomes inaccessible, the OST file may be the only copy of your mailbox data you can access. That's where Stellar Converter for OST can be useful. Now let's go through the online OST to PST conversion process. Here is free online OST to PST Converter by Stellar. On the website, upload your OST file by either dragging and dropping it into the upload area or selecting it manually from your computer. Convert OST files up to 500 megabytes at no cost. For files between 500 megabytes and 5 gigabytes, simply upload your file and select a premium plan. For this demonstration, I'm using a sample OST file so you can clearly follow each step. Once the upload is complete, it automatically begins scanning the mailbox. The scan time depends on the size of your OST file, so larger mailboxes may take a little longer. While the scan runs, here's something worth mentioning. Many online OST to PST Converter are designed with IT professionals in mind, which often makes them feel confusing for everyday users. This online converter follows a much simpler approach. Stellar did the great job in this. Instead of navigating through complicated conversion options, you're guided through a clear step-by-step process from beginning to end. Online OST to PST Converter by Stellar shows HTML preview, in which you can check complete mailbox hierarchy and items count in each folder. This preview gives you confidence that your important information has been successfully detected before moving on to the export process. If you check the pricing section, you'll notice an option to try the desktop version. Stellar shared 3 options here. First is free, second is premium, and third one is desktop edition. You can see the comparison here, such as conversion is free up 500 megabytes. For premium service, file size limit is 5 gigabytes at $29.99. And for desktop edition, there is no file size limit. Convert 5 files at $79.99. The online version is great for users who want to access mailbox data directly from a browser without installing additional software or without Outlook and Exchange server. However, if you frequently work with OST file conversions or manage larger mailbox files, the desktop version may offer a more complete experience. Let's quickly see how Desktop Edition works. Simply download the installer, launch the setup, and follow the installation wizard. It only takes a few minutes. After opening the application, you'll be asked to locate an OST file. You can either browse manually or let the software automatically search your computer for available Outlook OST files. Once you've selected a file, the software scans the mailbox and displays everything in a familiar Outlook-style interface. You can browse your inbox, sent items, deleted items, contacts, calendar, attachments, notes, tasks, and much more before exporting anything. Being able to preview your mailbox first is incredibly useful because it lets you verify that your data is still available before starting the conversion. When you're ready, simply export everything into PST format, making it easy to import your converted mailbox back into Microsoft Outlook. Depending on the mailbox size, the conversion may take a few moments. After it's complete, you'll have a PST file ready for use, and that's how you can access and convert Outlook OST files using online service or desktop tool by Stellar, depending on your requirement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, you can find the link in the description. Subscribe for more Outlook, Windows, Linux, and software tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.